Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got some breaking news with the stock market. But before I get into the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe and like button down below, and leave a comment if you feel obligated to do so. So today hasn't been the greatest day for the Dow Jones and the stock market as a whole, down 343 points, about 1.28%, in total. So let's just. There's one thing in particular that I want to cover, and that is the fact that Charles Schwab, which is an investment and banking company, came out today and announced that their application for investments is going to move their commissions fee on each trade down to $0. That is big time since Charles Schwab is such a big company, as you see over here. So Charles Schwab company, also called Charles Schwab, is a savings and loan holding company which engages in the provisions of wealth management, securities brokerages. Holy cow, that's a big old thing. The investment services segment includes retail brokerage and banking services to individual investors and retirement plans, blah, blah, blah. So essentially, it's just a massive company involved in all things finance, with a market cap of $54 billion. Yes, that's with a B. So essentially, as of right now, what Charles Schwab has been, I mean, they're up there with, E-Trade, and all sorts of things, Fidelity and things like that. So currently their commissions fee is $4.95. So the big news is all these other companies are charging like $6 and $5 and all sorts of things. But when you move that down to $0, you're going to get a bunch of people to come over and invest on your platform because of all the capabilities that Charles Schwab has in comparison to like a Robinhood. And Robinhood's great. It's a great beginner app. I love Robinhood, but Charles Schwab's going to have more research capabilities and just more in-depth features for the more advanced investor, if you will. This is a big time happening, and you see that reflected in the uh, the stocks currently, not your individual stocks, but the stocks of Charles Schwab, Fidelity, E-Trade, all those different things. So let's just read a quick article by CNBC. So it says Charles Schwab is ending commissions on stock trading, and the brokerage shares are tanking. So starting on October 7th, which is next Monday, as of the time of recording this video, Charles Schwab will be slashing its online trading commissions for U.S. stocks, ETFs, and options from the previous $4.95 down to zero. Shares of Schwab fell 10% in response to this move because people are going to think, well, they're going to earn less revenue. But Charles Schwab came out and said that the commissions account for only 3% of their total company revenue. So it isn't that big, but I can see why people would have reacted in this way with the 10% move. Competitor TD Ameritrade lost 25%, on track for its worst day since 1999, and I believe they're down about. They might even still be down 25% at this point in time. This article was published about 8 hours ago. Stocks trade previously cost $5, as it says up there. So let's just read through anything important here. Shares fell, blah, blah, blah. Schwab, which holds about $4 trillion in client assets, will be slashing its trading commission costs for U.S. stocks, ETFs, and options from trading for 5 to 0. Trading options will continue to cost 65 cents per contract. Not interested in trading options at all. So essentially, why they're doing this is the chairman, Charles Schwab, the firm's passion has been to make investing easier and more affordable for everyone. This is our price, not a promotion, no catches, period. So this is a permanent thing. And as you see right here, this is exactly what I was talking about. After Silicon Valley startup Robinhood offered a stock trading for free in 2013, analysts predicted it would only be a matter of time before the major brokerages were also forced to go to zero, because Robinhood has been such a big company recently. That these other companies, it's kind of looked at as silly why you would have to pay commissions to invest in them when you have a thing such as Robinhood or M1 Finance that is free, essentially. So I think that's enough for here. Let's go back over to Robinhood real quick. So this is really big. This is the first of the multi-billion-dollar market cap companies that has done this, and I do believe this is going to be a very good thing for Charles Schwab. I do believe that their stock price may go up a little bit. This isn't necessarily an investing video on Charles Schwab, but let's go ahead and look at their competitors This is the top movers today in all of the stock market. You scroll down, you see NEO, you see Ulta Beauty, and then you get to E-Trade, 17%, 16, 17% down today. It's down 17% today. TD Ameritrade, 25.5% today. Look at this. They're down $12 today, and they're up 11 cents after hours. That's insane. Look at this map. They were at 48, 46, 46, 46, 40 or 36 as soon as the market opened. As soon as the market opened, Schwab announced that and took their competitors down. Now they're down 13 on the week. It took them down $10. $10 in a matter of minutes. That's crazy. Let's go ahead and keep scrolling through to see if we can't find any more. I mean, they were all affected pretty negatively by this move and by this decision by Charles Schwab. And even Charles Schwab was kind of negatively affected by this. This is major. This is really major. I do believe it could take some people away from Robinhood, and myself included. I may end up going to Charles Schwab. I may not move all of my assets out of Robinhood. And I also have an M1 Finance account, but I think M1 Finance, I may not use M1 Finance as much. I may still have like one individual account on M1 Finance, but I don't plan on using it as much now that Charles Schwab has the capabilities of a Roth IRA and beneficiaries and things such as that M1 Finance offered that Robinhood didn't offer. And Charles Schwab's just going to be able to bring all those things together and use their research capabilities and things such as that to help benefit me. And obviously, if you guys need to learn more about Charles Schwab, they have a great website that you guys can go to and visit. It says, "Welcome to the more modern way to invest." So they are very futuristic, very future focused, which is a great thing to see from an investing company. So other than that, guys, leave a comment in the comment section down below of what your thoughts are on the news today. And are you guys excited? Are you guys nervous? Me personally, I'm very excited for it. So go ahead and leave a like, comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Happy trading.